Thank you for your interest in allowing me to help you find your best available love match in the shortest time possible. If what you've been doing hasn't worked for you, then I have the solution that's worked for so many of my clients. If you want to be with the best person available for you, does it make any sense to wait for your family or friends to hopefully introduce you to the right person? Or maybe you're waiting to luck out and have a random chance encounter with someone that was introduced by a friend or family member, or maybe someone you might even meet at work. It only makes sense to have more options with an easier, proactive process. The competition for mate selection is much greater now because of the internet, and you're going to have to either learn the skills necessary to be out in front of the competition for the best available partners. If having a truly incredible love life is important to you, then I have the solution. This next step is truly going to reveal a lot about yourself. Whenever I have instructions involved, feel free to stop and start this video as needed. When you click on the link below, it's going to open another window to a form called the Self-Evaluator Calculator, which is a questionnaire. Read the introduction, which will summarize the information you'll need to provide for me if I want to help you. Complete the form as quickly and as best you can. It's important not to dwell too much on the answers. Go ahead and put the first answers that come to mind. They're typically the most accurate. When it's completed, click Submit, and I'll be notified by email that you've sent it. I'll review it and get back to you via email as soon as possible. Your next step is to confirm your registration in your email, and I'll immediately send you the course outline for the program.